makeup look, as you can see in the title below, I will be doing this drunk blush makeup look. So I already did it prior to this video. So basically, when we say drunk blush makeup look, guys, it's still just about the cheeks. It's gonna make our cheeks parang rosy, parang mestiza, parang tipsy kuno. So if you guys wanna know how I made this look, then just keep on watching. These are just drugstore makeup. So as usual, guys, I will be applying this Careline Oil Control Liquid Makeup in the shade Natural na naman. So as usual, just an ample amount will do. For this makeup look, I will still not use any foundation. And yun. Guys, remember niyo yung pimple ko dito? Nag-migrate siya dito. So anyway, ito konti lang talaga. Next is I am going to apply this Careline Acne Spot Concealer in the shade Natural. Natural pa rin. Still, in this makeup look is halata pa rin yung skin natin, guys. As in, hindi talaga siya fully covered yung skin. There will still be chismis. Ayan, so do you guys notice na hindi pantay yung shade ng concealer sa skin ko talaga? So, the solution to this problem, I'm going to apply this Careline Oil Control Mattifying Loose Powder para mag-even out siya. So, ito. Lagay natin kung saan natin nilagay yung foundation. Ay, yung concealer pala. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is we are going to proceed to our eyebrows. I'm just gonna be using this Voluminous Lash Paradise. It is waterproof and hydrofuge. Hindi ko alam anong meaning nun, pero yun. If you guys already saw my makeup tutorial about the everyday natural makeup look, you guys already know how I do my eyebrows. I'm just gonna be using these black mascara. I assure you, any black mascara will do. So, ayan, ganyan na ako mag-apply ng eyebrows ko, guys. Pataas lang talaga. So, kasi ako, I am not fond of on-fleek brows. I already mentioned that on my everyday natural makeup look. Ayan, guys. So, now I'm done with the brows. The next thing that we're going to do is eyeshadow naman. For the eyeshadow, guys, I am just going to use this shade lang. This one. Hindi talaga tayo magko-color ng eyes kasi ang magdadala is yung blush for our drunk blush makeup look. So, para siyang contour lang sa eyes. You just apply it here sa center and then you just blend it. Lashes na naman. So for our lashes, I will just use this eyelash curler. Can you see the difference, guys? Our eyes will really look awake after we do eyelash curler. And so now we are done with the eyelash curler. And then, guys, before we proceed with the mascara, I will be applying this parang highlighter niya. It's this one. This shade. And then apply natin dito. I don't know how do you call this, but yeah, here. In here, and also a little bit here. Just dot lang talaga sa center. Then lang talaga ka-simple. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to apply mascara na naman. And guys, another tip when you apply your mascara, make sure that you are doing it on a left and right motion. I already mentioned this on my previous makeup vlog tutorials, but just in case na you weren't able to watch it, but I recommend you watch it. It's actually one of the best makeup tips that I could give you. Yan. Yan. Guys, can you see the difference? Grabe, alive na masyado yung right side of my face ko. So, blush on na naman. So, for our blush on, guys, I know that you have at least one of these tints before, or you still own these tints up to this day. Di ba ito yung pambansang lip tint? Ever since we were high school, or if you're still a high school student, I know you have one of these. So, ako, lagi talaga akong may ganitong lip tint. So, this is what we are going to use for our cheeks. Kasi mas blendable ito. So, as usual, I will still use my, fingers to apply. I miss my, high school years. Ito na yun, guys. Ito talaga yung makeup ko nung high school ko. Even up to this day, nagda-drunk blush pa rin naman ako. And diba, as we all know, drunk blush makeup will never go out of style talaga. It's always in. Basically, this is the drunk blush makeup look. This is what makes a drunk blush makeup look. Ayun, parang kang sunburn, parang mistisa, lakas nakaka-mistisa na. Blend it properly. And then, highlighter na naman, guys. For the highlighter, we are going to use this shade. And I super love talaga the pambansang lip tint that I mentioned earlier from Caroline. Kasi see, it's super blendable. So for the lips, I will still be using this Mamon Creamy Tint Color Bomb Intense number 23 Brick Rose. So for lips, I will still use my fingers kasi para hindi masyado ganun yung ka-heavy yung malagay. Ayan, so now we are done with the look, guys. Here's the finished product of this look. So I will be giving you another montage na naman. In 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so I think this is going to be the end of this video. So I hope you learned a lot from this video, guys. So basically, this is my own version of the drunk blush makeup look. So as you can see, it's still very natural looking. Para lang tayo naging mistisa konti, guys, kasi we have such rosy cheeks, ganon. Also guys, mention ko na rin this parang band ba tawag nito, or parang strap na you can use it as a headband or parang ganito, just how I'm using it now. I got this from Collectives. So here's our Instagram account, guys, and I'll be seeing you on my next one.